Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. This time, and by the way, Mutlu Yulur, Gongxi Fatai, Happy New Year. Okay, so I'd like to talk about, well, language learning. There are a lot of applications for the computer and for the smartphone, all about helping you learn a new language. It's pretty tough at first to learn a new language, even if it's a language that is similar to yours. For example, if you speak English, you would be able to learn French and Spanish as well as Dutch and German a little bit easier than trying to learn like Korean or Japanese or Chinese. So it really kind of depends on your native language a little bit. But I have my top 5 free language learning apps. And these are mostly for both iOS and Android. I'm going to show you the Android version. The iOS version, I've only got it on my iPod Touch, which is the current camera. So I probably won't be able to do that. I may see if I can try to show you maybe on the Windows computer that I have. Maybe. If you see it at the end of this video, then I would have already put it in there. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Okay, let's go. Let's move. Alright, first one. Duolingo. This one with the bird on it. And currently for me, I am learning French from the app. So right now it's kind of my progress, and you can see I'm on travel, but I've already gotten through the greetings and things like that. And it just asks you to translate, and if you get some wrong, then they'll go back to it. For the example, this one says, which of these is the passport? And to me, it has to be similar to English. So I click that, and it'll kind of show you. Then I check, and I'm correct, so I continue. So I have to translate this sentence. And you can also tap on the words that you don't know, and they'll give you the translation of that word. So it looks like I have a suitcase. And you check it. And you kind of get to learn like sentence structure and so on.
Voiture. J'ai un passeport.
And okay, here's one that you have to speak. So you tap on the microphone button and then try to say it. J'ai un passeport.
Il a une valise.
And it'll just keep going. Okay.
Le billet d'avion.
So the next one is Busuu. Busuu, I guess, is what it's called. And this one, currently for me, I am learning Japanese. So, konnichiwa to all my anyone who speaks Japanese. And if you don't know me, watashi wa Robert desu, which means I am Robert. Let me see if I can exit out of this early so that I can show you what it is. So that's kind of what I learned, and basically just go through the vocabulary, the memorize, conversations, and so forth. And this one will give you the complete Japanese. All right. Number 3, Babbel. And that one, I've tried it before. I just haven't gotten to doing that again. But you can learn a lot of languages. I was learning Turkish for a while. So I do remember a tiny bit, but I haven't really done much progress in there. Okay, I've got 2 more. Number 4, Memrise. It kind of gives you, I guess, using flashcards. I think that particular app uses flashcards that you can memorize stuff, memorize vocabulary and things like that. It's okay to use, for vocabulary purposes if you need it, but I personally have tried it. That's why I know, but I don't currently use it anymore. All right, number 5. I found this new app to learn Chinese easily. It's called Chineasy, and it's developed by a lady who gave a TED Ed talk about it, which uses actual pictures to represent Chinese characters. For example, this is the word of the day. If you don't know what the first character is, Ren or Zen, that's a person, and Ko is the mouth. So person plus mouth equals population. Basically, it's more like a group of people, but yeah. When you count how many mouths you need to feed, you're talking about the whole population. Well, you can kind of also think of that as a group of people, or a people group. And it even, so this one gives you the word of the day, and it gives you the audio too. You can close it, and then it goes up to 8 levels before you have to before you have to pay for it. But it gives you some review. For example, things like that. It does give you some review, and it kind of teaches you the basics of character recognition, which can be very useful. Oh, good. Okay, so I want to do a couple quick honorable mentions. Hello Talk is another one for Android, and also for the Amazon Fire tablet, and that's mostly for like Korean, Japanese, Asian type languages. And Mondly is more for like Spanish, Italian, European, I guess. They may have some Yeah, Hello Talk may actually have some European languages as well. I'm not quite sure. I never actually tried those. Monly may have some Asian languages as well. Well, that's all I have for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope my audio is better. Other than that, have a great year 2019. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.